Hello and welcome to Pierre Boere and Partners, your trusted family business advisors. Do you have a totally different perspective from your children regarding the current structure, strategy, and your company's future? Or perhaps you and your siblings are not aligned on what you want to do with the business? Do you feel it is causing frustration to the point that selling the business became an option, even if it means losing the family legacy? Always remember that you are absolutely unique, just like everyone else. People are distinctive individuals with different needs and wants depending on their age, ambitions, risk appetite, and experience. You will not remain the same person as every decade has passed. For example, a founder's journey is long, rough, and filled with wisdom gained through their extensive experience. However, NextGen's perspective is fresh and innovative and always adds a unique value. This combination of two opposite perspectives could become your recipe for success. At Pierre Boere and Partners, we can help you capitalize on these differences in character, perspectives, needs and wants that are perfectly normal, but work together and manage them to find the optimal solution for your family business suitable for both the founder and NextGen. In short, we can help you build your family constitution. Contact us to learn more.